We breathe in those words as we open our hearts in a time of meditation, just allowing ourselves to relax so deeply into this moment that we loosen the hold that the thinking mind often has on this moment, either drawing us to the past or drawing us to the future or drawing us into the swirl of thoughts. And we simply say, peace, be still. We take a deep community breath and exhale into this present moment, right here and right now. Remembering the truth that there is no other place to be outside of this moment. There is no place to go, no thing to do to get more God. All Godness, all goodness, all light is right here in this moment. Right here in this space. Right here at this time. So we just allow ourselves to fully relax. On the inhale, drawing the crown of the head high. And on the exhale, letting the shoulders relax and feeling the body become heavy. Lengthening the inhale. And deepening the exhale. Breath by breath. Into the silence. We acknowledge the deep value of time in the silence, individually and collectively. We allow ourselves to inhabit the feelings of gratitude, knowing that in the silence, healing occurs. Wisdom arises. Peace descends. And we become grounded. In honor of this practice, we acknowledge the light within all beings. We acknowledge our divine birthright to express this light in myriad ways. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as divine emanations of this love. Namaste.